Does BoosterBot work on the OTC market? Yes, it does. And let me show you how to work on this market with BoosterBot. And I also remind you that you can find BoosterBot's Telegram channel at the link in the description, where you can follow all the news, where you can earn money, all the bot updates and gifts from the development team. I will leave the link to the Telegram channel in the description. On the OTC market, you need to remember one thing. The fact that you should choose only 5-second candles and earn on them. Turn on, show the timer. And on a new 5-second candle, you need to open your trade. Let's look at this together. I'm gonna pick the British pound dollar currency pair, 1 minute expiration, and I'll put 5% of my deposit. That's $10,025. I'll round it up a little bit. I'm going to click on get a new signal. I choose the British pound dollar currency pair, and the expiration time is 1 minute. I get a buy signal. I wait for a new 5-second candle. I open my buy trade right on it, and as you can see, unlike the usual currency market, here there is a probability of a successful deal. And if you have these values are in the zone below 60, then you do not need to open your deal. And you can also see the percentages on the probability of reversal. They're quite low right now, 31 and 38. And the next point is the volatility of the current market. The current value is 58, which means a fairly volatile market right now. And once again, if you see high percentages on a reversal, you get a new signal. If you see small percentages on the success of closing a trade, again, you get a new signal. Until BoosterBot gives you the perfect signal for the OTC market. A perfect trade brings me $940 of profit. The next currency pair I choose is the euro dollar. Again, I will open my trade at 5%. This is already almost $1,070. I choose this currency pair in BoosterBot. I choose the expiry time is also 1 minute. I get a buy signal again, but here the percentages are already very small, 61-70%. And there is a very high probability of price reversal. Therefore, unfortunately, I will skip the euro dollar for now. I'm going to choose the Australian dollar, the Swiss franc. Again, I get a buy signal with excellent percentages of 73. I'm waiting for a new candle. And on the new candle, I open my buy trade. On this signal, you can observe that the probability of reversal is 34%. But the volatility is 74 out of 100. What does this mean for you and me as traders? It means that the market is not moving sideways. It's choppy, it is very volatile, and therefore it creates such a powerful impulsive movement. It is very difficult for an ordinary trader to trade in it, but BoosterBot does a great job. Unfortunately, at the last moment the deal closes in the negative, and only then the price goes higher. It happens. It's the market. And now I'm going to cap my trade at $1,500. I'll choose the Australian dollar again, the Swiss franc. I get a sell signal with a good interest of about 70%. I open my sell trade on a new candle. And as you can see, the volatility has decreased here. This means that the market has come to its senses and will be quite calm. A great trade earns me $1,400. Now I want to change the currency pair to the Australian Canadian dollar. There is very good movement here. I select this pair in BoosterBot. I get a great buy signal with a percentage of 85. I wait for a new candle. And on the new candle I open my buy trade. And why is it so important to open a deal exactly on a new 5-second candle? It's very simple. You may have such a situation when you have a new candle opening. You enter in this position, and as a result the candlestick literally flies up in a few seconds, and you have the most perfect point. That's great. I'm taking 125 pips out of this beautiful move. That's a pretty solid profit. I can open the next trade for $2,000. That's almost 9% of my deposit. I choose a currency pair, British pound, Japanese yen, and the expiration time is also 1 minute. I get a great buy signal again at 85%. I'm waiting for a new candle. I open a buy trade right on it. Like I said, if I had opened the trade right away, my entry point would have been here. And so I opened much lower. What is the OTC market and when is it available? It's available on weekends and at times and weekdays when the major banks, the major markets are asleep. It's an intra-exchange market. And specifically on Pocket Option, we trade with other traders who trade here. This market is not influenced by the news that comes out every day. It is not affected by some huge events. Everything is very calm here. But as you can see, things can happen when the chart breaks some candles. This will not happen in a regular market, and BoosterBot reads all OTC patterns perfectly. My team and I recently did a huge update and added about 10,000 more new patterns. Another great trade brings me almost $2,000. And as you can see, I literally made almost 5,000 bucks in just a few trades. If you want to earn exactly the same way, I'll leave the link to BoosterBot in the description. And also, if you have any question, then be sure to contact the support account where you will be happy to help and answer all your questions. And also don't forget to subscribe to the Telegram channel where my team and I share regular useful news and also the best currency pairs on which you can earn intraday. This is where I'll be saying goodbye to you. See you soon.